we're going to go into the dimensions menu. And in this business, we've got company, cost center, project, but that could be location, salesperson, team, geographic region, whatever you want. Within that cost center code, we've got directors, overhead, sales, warehouse, and we're going to create warehouse 2 as a new dimension value, as a new code that we want to be able to report on. Once I've done that, I can go into the chart of accounts. And you can see here that I don't need to run detailed reports. I can actually look at my balances in my accounts, and I can actually filter this data by the different dimensions. So I could look at, say, rent expense or salaries expense or advertising or whatever it might be, apply a cost center filter and see how those figures change when I apply that filter. So this gives you very, very detailed reporting without actually having to start running lots of reports. And if I then look at this list and break it down just by the ones that are totals or end totals, I get a whole view of my business just by that sales cost center. Then what I can do on top of this is I can go into customers, vendors, items, and I can say, I want every transaction with a specific customer or with a specific vendor or with all customers, vendors, all items to have a dimension attached to it. So here you can say that now I want any transaction to make sure that it's got cost center associated with it. Sales is maybe my default, but I can also choose by choosing this code mandatory to just say, make sure that there's something there. Make sure that my reporting always includes a cost center code when I transact with a customer. And then when I go onto my account schedule screen, so where I can actually start building out more detailed reporting, I can then look at the income statement and I can filter the data again by those cost centers, and I can layer those together. I can have cost center on top of project, on top of company, and you can start to build up extremely granular, detailed reporting exactly the way you need it just by using those dimensions. So you can see here now we've got a breakdown of our performance just by that sales cost center.